Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to neutral a Range Rover. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. This prevents unexpected rolling once the transmission is disengaged. Next, locate your owner's manual for any model-specific instructions, as procedures can vary slightly. Always prioritize safety by understanding the process fully before attempting it. To begin, make sure your Range Rover is parked on a completely level surface. Engage the parking brake securely to prevent any movement. Now, insert your key and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. It's crucial to keep your foot firmly pressed on the brake pedal from this point until neutral is fully engaged. With your foot still on the brake, carefully move the gear selector to the N position. You should see the neutral indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the selection. Double-check that the vehicle is indeed in neutral by gently attempting to push it, if safe to do so. Only release the parking brake when you are absolutely ready to move the vehicle. Remember, always refer to your specific Range Rover model's owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions. While putting your vehicle in neutral can be useful for short movements, avoid towing it for extended distances without specialized towing equipment. Improper towing can cause significant damage to the transmission. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.